What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa and I used to have terrible hair, alright, or at least I thought I did, but in reality, I just didn't know what to do with it. My hairstyles were horrible, I used cheap gel, and I didn't learn how to blow dry my hair until a few years ago. Alright, and let me tell you, I made a lot of mistakes along the way. I'm happy with the way it looks, of course, but I'm happy with how it feels. You know, I would have never guessed that I actually had nice hair back in the day. So today we're going over the 7 mistakes that most men make with their hair and how to fix them to make sure that you have amazing, healthy hair for years to come. All right? Number 1, not washing out all of the products from your hair. Look, when you're in the shower, washing your precious hair, don't rush it, all right? If you don't fully wash out the shampoo or the conditioner, that's gonna make your hair feel greasy even after a shower. Greasy means oily hair. It means there's buildup, which then weighs your hair down. And then because of that extra buildup in weight, you're not gonna have any volume. It's just gonna fall over. You're gonna have a flat hairstyle. And the same goes for styling products, all right? If you're using clay, gel, hairspray, you have to wash all of that out completely before you style it again to make sure that your hair is healthy and looking amazing. Number 2, causing heat damage. Now, I blow dry my hair a lot, more than most guys probably, almost every day, but I'm aware that's not the best thing for my hair. So I take extra care to make sure that I'm not causing any damage. I always use a heat protectant before I blow dry my hair to make sure that my hair doesn't get damaged, all right? And also I don't blow dry my hair too close to the hair, so that's gonna burn my hair. So make sure that the nozzle is at least 3 to 6 inches away from your hair at all times. Guys, if you use a flat iron, then you really need to be careful. They can be terrible for your hair, and I know a lot of guys use it, obviously a lot of girls do. Just apply some type of heat protectant and be extra careful not to do it for too long. Don't hold it in there for too long because that's definitely gonna cause damage. Basically, the tip here is if you're gonna use heat tools, which we pretty much all do if you're trying to get a hairstyle like this, then make sure that you're not going overboard. Mistake number 3 is applying way too much product. This is a common mistake I see way too many guys make, all right? I get it. People think more product equals having a cool hairstyle for a longer time, right? More hold. That's not true. All it does is it makes your hair look greasy, heavy, and it also flattens it out because there's so much product, so much weight on your hair, so it just flattens it out. Well, when we created the Forte Series Texture Hair Clay, we made sure that would never be an issue. The hold on this product is insane. Now, I could sit here and tell you to use all of it so you can buy more, but I'm telling you, do the opposite. Use just a small amount because this is gonna give you the highest hold possible. You need a small scoop, break it down really well into your hands until it's invisible, and you're good. It's a beast of a heavy clay, and it's infused with argan oil so it nourishes your hair while you keep it on. I'm telling you guys, I've been wearing this every single day for months, and my hair feels amazing. Like honestly, my hair has never been this healthy. It looks great, it feels good, and the hold is insane, but it's also restylable. Like I can do whatever I want with it, and it feels really, really nice. My new hair clay and the brand Forte Series launches this Thursday, October 24th at 9 a.m. Pacific. And just so you know, we have a limited amount of product, all right? So you should definitely set a reminder to make sure that you get your hands on this thing. As you guys know, I've been working on this for so long and I'm so excited to launch it. And I'm also running the biggest giveaway ever. To enter, all you have to do is follow the link in the description. It's free, it's easy. We're gonna pick 10 winners for all the prizes that I mentioned in my other videos. I'll leave a link below for you guys who want to be notified as soon as you can purchase the new Forte Clay on October 24th at 9 a.m. Pacific. Our mistake number 4 is wearing hats way too often and for too long. So if you're a hat guy, and there's always a hat guy, then this is a tip for you. Be careful with how much hat time you're giving your hair and your scalp and your head. A lot of times wearing hats can heat up your hair and your scalp, and it can cause flakes. And for the guys that work out, go to the gym, run, whatever, in a hat, right? You need to be careful because that's gonna trap all of that heat, all of that sweat. It's gonna get soaked up in there inside the hat, and it can potentially irritate your scalp. Of course, if you're in a hat, make sure that it's not too tight so you're not blocking the blood flow to your hair and to your scalp, which is extremely important for your health. Number 5, this is a mistake that, I don't know, man. You guys should be doing this already, especially if you've been watching my videos for a while. You're forgetting to do hair masks. Now, I know a lot of us are gonna look at this and be like, oh, girls do this, it's not for guys, we don't need them. Wrong. We have the same hair, we have the same skin as girls, right? Slightly different. So we should take care of our bodies the same way they are doing it. So it's super easy to do. You just apply a hair mask to your hair, leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, whatever you feel comfortable doing. And you can do it with a natural base ingredient like coconut oil, which is affordable, easy to find, or you can also get an actual hair mask, like a hydrating hair mask, but those can be a little bit pricey, 20, 30, 40 bucks, depending on what you want. Your goal should be twice a week. That would be perfect. But if you do it once a week, that's a great start. And of course, like I said, the Forte Series Texture Clay is infused with argan oil, so your hair is getting all of those benefits every second that you leave it on. Number 6 is towel drying too aggressively. Now, so many guys get mad when they lose their hair during showers. They're like, Alex, why am I losing hair in the shower? What am I doing wrong? Dude, take it easy. You know, hair is actually super delicate when it's wet, so be gentle with your hair after the shower. When towel drying, what I would recommend is pat your hair dry instead of rubbing your head as fast and hard as you can. All right, I get it, you're a dude, you want to show that you're manly, but no need to do that if you want to keep your hair on your head. Treat it like gold. I used to pull and break so much of my hair by towel drying aggressively because I just didn't care, and it would affect how my hairstyle looked. You know, you want your hair to be even, the same length, but when you break your hair, then it's all different lengths, and you know, this hair going this way and that way. So don't do that by pulling it too hard after you shower. Number 7, washing with shampoo too often can be bad for your health. I grew up thinking that everyone, girls, guys, it doesn't, like, you had to apply shampoo and conditioner and wash it every single day. Even twice a day I would do, whenever I took a shower. Like if I took a shower 3 times that day, I would wash my hair 3 times that day with shampoo and conditioner. The truth is, that's actually not great for your hair. All right, you need to skip a day or 2 here and there just to allow your hair to replenish the natural oils that it creates. The shampoo is gonna strip the hair from all the dirt and everything, but also it's gonna strip the hair of natural oils, which can lead to flakes if you're shampooing every day. I even started using dry shampoo, which works like magic. You can basically just apply it between washes. You go like this, apply it into your roots, kind of like rub it in, and you're good. All right, without having to wash your hair at all. It's also a great tip for you guys on a rush, trying to fix your hairstyles on the go without having to wash your hair, take a shower, whatever. You know what I mean? But you should probably still take a shower. It's good for you. Guys, don't forget to check out Forte Series Texture Clay coming out in just a few days. Get ready to take your hair to the next level and get some Forte. And as you know, we got this huge giveaway. The link is gonna be in the description below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa because there's a lot of exciting news coming on my Instagram. Sometimes I post things there and not here on YouTube because it takes way longer to shoot a video than an Instagram story. So people on my Instagram usually get to know things before you guys sometimes on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.